IMS, Iowa Medical Society, it's the group, the Association of Physicians in the state of Iowa. They get together, we get together, and as a group, we decide, as any profession should decide, what it is that we do. IMS is the conduit, it's the channel through which we do that.
I'm Noreen O'Shea Dio, and I'm energized to be a member of Iowa Medical Society.
I'm Chris, I'm a medical student, and I'm proud to be an Iowa Medical Society member.
I am Mohammed Sayed, and I am training at the University of Iowa in pediatric critical care. And I am a member of Iowa Medical Society.
My name is Amanda Jepson. I'm a third-year medical student, and I feel empowered to be a member of Iowa Medical Society.
I am John Heineman, and I'm a resident member of the Iowa Medical Society.
I'm Tom Benzoni, and I'm happy to be a member of the Iowa Medical Society. In fact, I'm proud to be a member of the Iowa Medical Society.
As a student, this is the only way you can get access to physicians that are here to help you understand our profession as a whole. And you're able to understand how medicine interfaces with legislation and the rest of our society.
I believe that being a member of the IMS is important to me because the society stands for access to health care for all Iowans and improving care for all of our patients. I believe this is very important and a reason why I hope to continue to be involved.
As a medical student, I felt very supported by the IMS in that I've been able to show my research here. I've been able to meet physicians that are interested in the same things that I am. I've been mentored along the way. It's become a really great experience for me as a medical student to complement my education in ways that my school can't quite offer.
Being a member of Iowa Medical Society is important to me because I believe in building and sustaining the House of Medicine.
I think it's important for every physician to be a member of the society for several reasons. The simplest one is kind of an old farm metaphor. If you drink from the trough, you should help to fill it.